Hey guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And today we are going to be decorating my Hobonichi cousin. This last week I was doing pretty good and then I wasn't, but it's okay. It's no big deal. Like, it's fine. So let's go ahead and get started on decorating today's spread, which is for this week is going to be the 21st through the 27th. I have no idea what I'm going to choose, if I'm being honest, but I figured we can just look through my stickers, and these are like basically the same stickers that I like look through almost every single week, and I'm fine with it. Now, we just went to a Japanese store. I'll put a picture on the screen, and we went to like the gacha little machines, and we got like, I got this, so let me just show y'all really quick. So I got this little charm. It's cinema roll, and I also got this little pin, which is Hello Kitty, and it's super cute. I had so much fun, and because of that, it actually is kind of inspiring me to like want to use some of my Sanrio stickers. So I think I'm leaning towards that. I think that would be really fun. We also stopped at what is it called? At Burger King, because I saw a post that they had Naruto little toys, and I want to make him into a charm. So I'm gonna put like a little charm thing and eyelet, I think that's what it's called, on the head, and make him into like a little purse charm. I think that's so cute. So I'm gonna put him right here on my desk for now, but I really am thinking about using some of my Sanrio stickers because I think it'll go pretty well and it'll be fun. I kind of am liking these. I think these are kind of fun. But then I have also some of these. I think these would be really cute. It's a mini mart. It's not really Sanrio, but it is still kind of like that kawaii feel and like very like Japanese inspired. So that would be fun. I also have those. These are just like little character sheets. So maybe some of that. I also have these over here. This is like Kuromi. These are some more Sanrios. I think I'm gonna choose one of the ones that we had looked at first. So I think some of these would be what I'm leaning towards. Which ones, I don't know. But I think what I should do is look at my washi, and then that'll help me decide which ones I can pick. I kind of really like these, but I really like the way these look too. I know it's not Sanrio, which is kind of what I was going for originally, but this would be really, really cute. Let me look at my washi, and that'll help me decide and figure out what direction we're gonna go in. Okay, so for this sticker sheet, I do have this washi that is from Bando, and it has like different fruits. I think this would look really, really cute with this, although there's no like turquoise, but I think it'll be fine. Like, it's really no big deal. And then for these over here, I'm thinking either like for these two, it would be good to go with like this one, and think this one's from Happy Planner. Or if I went with this one, I can go with this washi, which is like green. It'll help bring out the green in here. I could even like overlap this and make it go with this. I am kind of leaning towards this one. I think I'm gonna go with that one. So let me put this off to the side. I may even use this washi, but we'll definitely see about that. Now let's start off with, let me grab my pen. Here it is. Okay, let me put dinner, lunch, breakfast. Okay, just so I know where to add this on. See, I'm kind of debating if I want this one. I'm just gonna lay this on here, and then we can figure it out after. Okay, that's cute. And then I am thinking the black and white would help it like stand out a little bit more for like framing. So let me find the end of this one. Here it is. I think I am gonna put it on both sides then. I just think it'll like help it like stand out, and like by framing it a little bit, and the color's so like it's kind of like blocky in a way, if that makes any sense. I don't even know if that makes any sense. Like right there, and then we'll do the same thing on this side. Cute. I'm recording this super late because we had something at church. So we were at church. It was like 2 when it started. And then after that, we went out to eat with Matthew's parents. So we went to like a pizza place that's downtown in San Antonio. And then from there, I really wanted to go to the, it's like a Japanese arcade, and I've been wanting to go there, so I figured it's now or never. So it was really fun, but it definitely put me behind as far as like my recording, which is like no big deal. I try to tell myself like, you know, it's fine. I don't have like a schedule in a way. Like I'm not, you know, I don't know how to explain it. Like I'm not trying to be so hard on myself, but at the same time, I do want to make sure to like get it done and uploaded and posted, because it's a goal of mine to make sure to be as consistent as possible and showing up for myself, and then also for y'all, because I know there's people that do actually enjoy my videos, which actually, like, it's so crazy, and it makes me so happy seeing all the comments and everybody that does like my videos and watches them, is that how you say it? Watch them. I don't know if y'all have ever noticed, but like I sometimes do get mixed up with like my words. My first language is Spanish and English is my second language. So sometimes I do get a little mixed up with certain things, and it's just a little difficult, but I feel like for the most part, my English is pretty good, as best as it can be, you know? Like right there. I think I'm gonna put this little, I don't even know, is it bok choy? Is that what that is? I don't even know. Put this one like, maybe like right here. That would be cute. And a baguette. Is this like star fruit? I think this is star fruit. This one's so cute. I'm gonna put them right here. I definitely am doing kind of the same thing as far as like putting stickers on the sides, but it's fine. It's no big deal. I think I'm gonna put this mango over here. This says sale, so I'm just gonna put it right here for fun, because why not? What is this? I don't know what that is. I think I'm gonna put, yeah, because I feel like it helps balance out the blue. And then this one we'll put right here. This like a garlic. I think this is a garlic. Put that right there. And then I can put some of these like little macaroni noodles in random little spots up here. And I have 2 of these. Never have any issues with putting stuff like on Friday and Saturday, because those are like slower days. So I feel like that works out and it looks okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing and put this one down here. That's cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh yeah, that looks so cute. And I feel like I can still use some of this. Would it be too much if I put this in like random little spots? I don't think so. I think it still looks okay. Right there. And then put one maybe like right here somewhere. Is that crooked? I think that's a little crooked. Oh no, not my page tearing. Whoopsie. Okay, I think that's good. And then I'm gonna grab some of the black. That was a little too long. Cute. I feel like it looks so pretty. Okay, but should I put some of this too? Maybe I should. Like, I know it's like a lot of washi, but it's fine. Oh yeah, so cute. This makes me so excited. Right there. And then I guess this one I'll put in the bottom. Like right there. Oh yeah, that is so cute. Okay, so that is good with that. I finished the sticker sheet, so we can throw that away. And then I think I'm gonna grab, I don't think I have any here, no. But I did cover up the Tuesday, but it's fine. I can just put like a little arrow or something. So that is no big deal. Do I have like little coffee ones? I sure do. So that one, this one, and that one's really big. I guess maybe, no, I can do this one and this one. I think that'll work. So for Monday, put that there. And then this one for Wednesday. And then this one for Friday. Cute. Okay. Because, oh, actually, on Wednesday, I go in a little bit later because I have a doctor's appointment. So let's see if we have an appointment one that we can use. Maybe I can use this one actually. So this, I'm going to try to remove. See if it's not too stuck. And then on Friday, I get off early. But this I can put right here. Because my appointment's at 9:15. So that works. And I may not even use this one. So I'm going to put this one back on here. Hopefully it stays. I also have to make sure to call my parents every day because my dad and my mom both have COVID right now. I don't even know how or where they got it, but they have COVID. And I am obviously needing to make sure to like check on them, make sure that they're doing okay. Just very concerned for them because they're, you know, older. My parents are like in their, I think like mid-60s. So I definitely want to check in on them and make sure they're doing okay. And if they need anything, then I can make sure to, you know, go over there and take whatever they need. Okay. I don't really need to add much else, but I do want to add, maybe, do I need a box there? I feel like I don't. Let's see. Definitely want to get a haircut at one point. I don't know if I should get a haircut this week. I also do have a concert on Friday. So I want a little box for that. Maybe this yellow one. I'm going to get off of work early. I think like at 1 o'clock is when I get off. And I'm going to go to my concert. It's in Austin, so we have to drive over there. Which is no big deal, and Matthew is so kind, he's going to drive me over there. I'm going to the concert on my own, which is a little scary. It's the first time I'm going to go to a concert by myself. I always take Matthew to concerts, and I'll like stay in the area, just hang out, whatever. But this time, I'm going to be the one that's going to go to the concert all by myself. But I am really excited. It's, I don't know if y'all have heard of him, but his name is Brandon Lake, and he is a Christian artist. And I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's going to be an amazing show. So I can't wait. Really, really can't wait. Thinking about using this right here. Cute. And maybe this little highlighter set, like right here. I don't know why, but it looks cute. Why not? Okay, I'm going to stop there before I get too ahead of myself. And before you know it, I'm like filling up my entire page with stickers. So I do have work every day. So work 9 to 5:30. Tuesday, work 9 to 5:30. I'm not going to put work on Wednesday because I do have an appointment at 9:15, and then I have work again on Thursday 9 to 5:30, and then on Friday I have work from 9 to 1. And that is the work schedule. Now as far as highlighter goes, should I use green? I feel like green may be the one that will look the best, either green or yellow. Let me grab them. Okay, so here is the green one. Either green or yellow. Ooh, I don't know. I feel like there's a lot of green already. So I think the yellow may be the winner. Yeah, I feel like it'll help pop some of these colors down here. So I'm thinking yellow is going to be my go-to. So let me grab my ruler so we can highlight my work schedule, which I did cover some of it up, but it's okay. It's no big deal. So I work from 9 till 17.5. And then we have it here on Tuesday is 9 till 17.5. And I don't remember what time I go in on Wednesday. I'm thinking it's noon. So I'm going to leave it blank for that because I am not logged into my computer right now, obviously. But I can check that Monday morning. And then 9 till 17.5. And this one is 9 to 13, which is 1 o'clock. Perfect. Yeah, I think that looks cute. And then right here, I'm going to write Brandon Lake ATX and an exclamation point. Cute. Okay, and then I did write on Sunday, but Sunday I normally do record a video. So I'm just going to write it on Saturday and I'm going to put YouTube. And then I'm going to write my normal record, edit, the whole thing, upload, thumbnail, and post. And then I also do it on Wednesday. So Wednesday I did put this on here. I forgot about that. So I'm going to put it at the bottom. Wait, no, not Wednesday. I do it on Thursdays because Wednesday, I do Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So I do have room up here. So YouTube, post. And then since I did write on Tuesday or put washi up here, I'm going to put it down here and post. Perfect. I'm also going to go ahead and write down my breakfast, lunch, and dinner down here. So I'll be right back. Okay. And then also is my lunchtime. So it's at 1 o'clock. I'm taking a 30-minute lunch. So it's from 1 to 1:30. So I'm just going to write that really quick. Skipping Wednesday because I don't know yet. And then Friday, I don't have a lunch because I get off basically like right on time for lunch. Okay, and then I'm going to do the little squares that I like doing for my YouTube stuff and then also do it up here. I forgot to skip one, but it's okay. I kind of do the same thing every single week, but it's really what works for me. So I guess just a little encouragement for those of you that get a little, I would say like overwhelmed because I myself like watch plan with me's that are Hobonichi just to get like inspiration sometimes. And then I'm like, oh, I want to try that, or I want to do like a tracker or something. And then I just come to the realization that why make it more complicated for myself? So that's why my week looks pretty much the same every single week. So I guess it's just like a little encouragement for y'all if y'all are having issues kind of like figuring out what like works for you, just like do what's best for you, what works for you. You know what I mean? I got my highlighter a little perfect. I think that looks so cute. I think it is a little busy, but I think it looks really pretty and it's really fun and exciting for me. And that's like what gets me to use my planner, is making it fun and exciting for myself. So this is definitely a colorful one, but I really like it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all again on Tuesday for a vlog. Bye, you guys.